Good morning guys, how are we doing? So, it's my last day of being 26, which means it's my birthday tomorrow. I'm going to go for a cheeky shred today because it's our day off. So I've just got to get the bag packed, make sure we've got everything that we need, and then Adam's gone down to pick the van up, and well yeah, we'll be going riding. You gonna come along? This is my Avoriaz bag. In here I've got my gloves, I've got my goggles, I've got some headphones and all that rubbish. What I do need to put in here is my GoPro, because this is what we're going to be filming on today. And also I've got this. So in here is 2 spare batteries for the GoPro. So this is what a company called Ikson sent me to try out, which is really good. It comes with 2 spare batteries. It's got space to charge all 3, and I keep my batteries in there while I'm out riding. It keeps them from moving about in my bag. So yeah, I just need to pack this up and then I'm going to get my boots on. You ready to go?
Yes.
Let's go. Getting the shot for the gram. Ooh, getting that Instagram shot, Adam.
Get that Insta shot.
Alright, let's do this.
This is like some crazy ice brothel.
Shut up.
Look in there.
What the hell? Look at that, it's like a bed. Can you go in them?
I wonder if it's you can probably stay in it, can't you?
Whoa. I don't want to stay in there, it looks cold. Imagine me in here, I'd be freezing. Hey look, it's a dragon.
You don't want to stay in an igloo.
Well, I think it'd be cool, but it might be a bit cold. What?
Batman.
Batman! I think that's just the toilets down there.
€12 till 3, it's €5 for a pint.
What the hell?
Or $2.50 for a soft drink.
What time?
12 till 3.
Hey, happy hour.
It's not 12 yet though, is it?
How much is it for a chocolate show? That was a cool little igloo, wasn't it, Ad?
It was very cool.
Shall we carry on riding?
Yeah, let's do it.
What time?
Hello. You ready to be proven wrong?
Right guys, this is the world's slowest lift. But I'm pretty sure, Adam, that this lift is older than me.
Probably.
It's probably older than you. Honestly.
That is just blooming heck, that is old.
Honestly, it's the world's slowest lift, guys. Look at it. I could walk up the hill bloody faster than this. But anyway, the reason
we're not going to walk up
we're not going to walk up the lift
is because it's tiring. We're lazy.
Yeah, we are pretty lazy. But also the reason is me and Adam have got a bet on. Because I think...
You're going to win.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
I think that we've got to get on this lift and then we have to get on another lift called the Mazettes. And once we get up to the top of Mazettes, that's where Cookie Cafe is.
But she's wrong, because Cookie Cafe is at this lift. When you get off, it's in front of you.
It's not. It's not, it's wrong. So anyway, whoever the loser is has to buy the milkshakes when we eventually get to Cookie Cafe. Which is going to be Adam.
Which is at the top of the lift.
Which is at the top of Mazette's
Charlotte
lift.
will have to buy them when we get to the top of this lift.
It is, I'm telling you, it's not at the top of this lift. No way. Also, this woman here just had a nightmare getting through the ticket barrier, and then she argued with the man who actually helped her get on the lift.
It is not working. But in French, it is not working. And he's like, if you push the barrier, it's already activated, so it'll turn around. She's like, it does not working. He's like, look. And he even scanned the ticket and showed her like 3 times, and she still argued.
So I told him she was crazy. Oh la la, crazy. But yeah. Ooh la la.
Yeah.
Adam, shall we play a game of Pew?
Yeah.
Right. For you guys who don't know what the game of Pew is, you have to watch the piece, shout Pew, and like something that makes somebody stand out. So like Pew, blue jacket. And if that person falls over within like 10 seconds, you get a point. So let's play the game. Pew!
He's not falling.
Pew, purple onesie! Come on, purple onesie, don't let me down.
Go on, so good.
Oh, I think purple onesie's gonna fall anymore. Nope, didn't fall. Pew, snowboarder in the orange jacket.
I've just remembered now.
What? Just hold on, everyone. Pause the game of Pew. Adam, what was that, gorgeous?
I remember now. We've got to go here and then drop down the red, and then up the Mosettes.
Look who's buying the milkshakes! What the bloody hell's going off over there? Pew snowboarder who's on the floor already with his hands.
Gorilla time.
Gorilla time!
In the wild here, we see the gorilla snowboarder. We can communicate with the gorilla snowboarder like this. Here you see them dragging their knuckles as they ride.
But yeah guys, this is like literally like, it's like when you're on that It's a Small World at Disneyland. That's the level of excitement this lift has to offer. It's a small world after all.
Here you see the skiers that aren't tucked overtaking the tucked up skiers.
Who are you, Adam Ski Attenborough?
Yeah, I love watching skiers tuck and then overtaking them.
Tuck it up. Don't you like it when they tuck it up and then the ski poles are like in the air, like they're trying to get radio signal?
So they use them as air brakes.
Air brakes. Look what's coming! Hey, you got a cookie!
Gotta have a cookie at Cookie Cafe.
Thanks, God!
Thought we could share.
Cheers!
Because they're £2.70.
Thank you. Good?
It's got a good amount of chocolate chips.
Yeah, it has actually. What's the rating on the milkshake?
A-OK.
It is so delicious. It's probably got my daily amount of calories in, but seeing as though it's the last day of me being 26, I think it's allowed. If you're in the Porte du Soleil, you've got to come to the Cookie Cafe. To the top of the Mazette's lift, it is the best. Let's go! Just to run of bloody flats. Run of the flats. Abracadabra. Run of the flats. Let's go. End of another day. So loads of people have been asking what we do with our snowboards. So this is one of our snowboard bags, and we just lay the bed out with this soft stuff on top, which is like, it just protects the seat. And then in here we put our boards, and then that way it stops the bed and the van getting wet. This is just for when we're transporting it on like a day-to-day basis. Obviously if we were sleeping in it and having our snowboards, we'd have to come up with a better solution, wouldn't we?
Yeah, probably in the roof.
Probably in the roof. Oh yeah, that's a good plan actually.
Guys, so obviously it's the next day since the video. We didn't do a sign off, so we're here to do it now.
Too busy enjoying ourselves.
Too much having fun.
So obviously I was riding, that was in Avoriaz and Linda area. So if you guys are ever in Port de Soleil, we were parking at the Ardent car park at the bottom of the bubble that I think you saw in the video. So yeah, that was where we were. We had a really good day. I had a really good birthday as well. So I'm officially 27 now. You saw me when I was 26, and now I'm 27. It's like I've aged over the video.
Well, you're always aging, you know.
That is a very good point. Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We've only got 4 weeks left of the winter season, so if there's anything you want to see while we're here, make sure you let us know in the comments so we can do that. Otherwise, we'll be back in the van soon. Woo!
Fun time.
But yeah,
Sunlight.
hit that subscribe button to keep updated, and make sure you head over to Instagram as well, because we do lots of like stories and more kind of behind the scenes stuff there. See you soon guys.
See you soon.